The Cossain 61-key folding digital piano is an incredibly portable instrument, weighing only 8.15 pounds and folding down to a compact size of 17.8 inches, making it easy to carry and store. Featuring 61 semi-weighted keys, this piano offers a touch-sensitive experience that mimics the feel of a traditional piano, allowing for dynamic playing with varying volumes. With its MIDI interface and Bluetooth connectivity, the piano can easily connect to your PC or mobile devices, enabling you to edit music and use piano apps like Pop Piano and GarageBand. This versatile electric piano includes 21 demo songs, 128 tones, and 128 rhythms, providing a wide array of options for learning and creativity. The piano is equipped with an LED display and functions such as record, chord, tempo, and transpose, enhancing the overall playing and learning experience. Suitable for all ages, the Cossain folding piano makes an excellent gift and comes with dedicated customer service to assist with any inquiries or needs.